PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair offers superior furnace repair services for both residential and commercial properties located in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania. Our commercial furnace repair technicians are highly skilled and fully equipped to handle any furnace repair needs you may have, from complete tune-ups to seasonal maintenance. We are committed to providing exceptional customer service and offering a diverse selection of top-notch products and services. Contact our commercial furnace repair experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What may cause a furnace to not turn on? If your furnace is not turning on, first check to see if the filter is clean. Filters that are clogged reduce airflow and might prevent the furnace from starting. What occurs when the furnace thermostat fails? If the thermostat malfunctions, the HVAC system may cycle on and off irregularly. This causes rooms closest to the HVAC system to receive more cool or hot air, while those further away receive very little. What is your service area for the Bryn Mawr office? Our commercial furnace repair experts have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Bryn Mawr, Rosemont, Ardmore, Penn Valley, Gladwin, West Conshohocken, Narberth, Haverford, Wynwood, Roseglen, Ardmore, Villanova, King of Prussia, Lower Merion Township, and Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair office located? We are located at 850 West Lancaster Avenue, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania 19010. Our phone number is 610-424-6452. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Ev-Bryn-Mawr-HVAC-service.